How to turn on notifications on Blinkit. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn it on. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the right top, you can see a profile icon. Simply tap on the profile icon. So now, we're in this settings interface. This is the place where you can find different options and settings. Now, slowly scroll down. Here, you'll be able to find a section called Notification Preferences. Simply tap on it. So here you can find different categorization of notification. So in order to turn it on, simply tap on this on button. So after doing this, it has been turned on. Now we can simply go back and it's all set to go. So the notification regarding Blinkit will pop up in your mobile device. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.